We're looking here at a beautiful early 20th century bound scholarly periodical called the Geographical Review from 1927. It was a quarterly review. This is all 4 issues for the year. It's bound in this nice grain morocco with these marbled paper covered boards, beautiful marbled end papers like so. The book is very clean, tight, and sound. The first journal issue is here for January with these articles. It, you'll see, immediately begins with the maps and the illustrations like so. The whole bound volume is similar to this. We have this, and like this, and gives you, I'm just going to flip through it briefly to give you some idea of what is found within it. Ha, that's great. I love photographs like that. And, okay, here's the next issue, the quarter. So it's for April, and here are the contents. We've actually identified some of the more interesting contents in our listing for you. Not all of them, but a number of them have been identified, like so. See this? Look at this. Okay, oops, see? Like this. Now, here's the next issue for July. Right here, the Lost Globe Gores of Schooner. Right there. That's very interesting. Yes, and there is bound within it. Oh, look at this. These early. Oh, that's interesting. Taormina Harbor in Italy. Yeah. Sicily, actually. I believe Taormina is in Sicily. Okay. Then we've got this very large folding map here, which is a little bit tricky to fold and unfold for the camera, but I'll show you. It gives you an idea. It's a water map, a basin drainage map of the whole world. Okay, so that folds up like so. Back in with any luck like that. Yes. Okay. Okay. Then we've got this folding plan right here of Scranton, Pennsylvania. Harry Chapin has a very famous song about driving down into Scranton, Pennsylvania with 30,000 pounds of bananas, I think it is. That's a great song. You should look that one up live, Harry Chapin. Okay, here is the final issue for the year. Hawaii, Nyasaland, and so on. And like this. And here is this folding series of, let's see, maps like this, showing lime over a period of various decades. Okay, and keep going like so, which brings us to the end of the volume. It is beautifully preserved, just a very handsome book, and it is available now online from me, Brian DiMambro.